Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this channel we talk about investing, mindset and wealth. So if that's something you're into, then please hit subscribe and I hope you like the video we're starting. This one's going to be about 5 reasons to start investing in 2021. So stick with me on this video and let's see what we can get into. So obviously on this channel so far we've talked a lot about investing, how to invest, the different types of strategies, stock types that you can go through, which you can check out up in one of these corners. Don't know which one, could be any. Yes, so if you fancy learning about that kind of thing, then feel free to click on one of my other videos. Today I'm going to be talking about why we should invest and how it will make us rich in the future, because that's what we all want, isn't it? We all want to be rich. I mean, who doesn't? But we've got to do it strategically and kind of do it with confidence, and that's what I'm all about on this channel. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So reason number 1, it is super easy to get into investing, especially nowadays with Trading 2 on 2, Freetrade, eToro, Stake, etc, etc. These brokers have 0 commission when you sign up, and quite often quite a lot of offers which you can sign up with, which of course is in my link below. So getting into the easiness of starting to obviously invest is super easy. You can look on YouTube, not just me, but loads of other YouTubers are going through the basics of investing, how to start, where do I start looking, tutorials, the basics, etc, etc. So that's reason 1, it's super easy. Reason 2, it's really exciting, at least for me personally, because you're investing in the future. So you're looking at electric vehicles, you're looking at innovation, companies in general. You've got 3D printing companies, things that we're looking for in the future. So there's genomics. If you don't know what genomics are, then just search it on Google and I'm sure you get like a long paragraph of what it's about. It's about gene editing basically. You've also got things like renewable energy, which we're going to be looking to getting done really in the next 5 to 20 plus years. So you're looking at those kind of futuristic companies, the ones that are going to give you the most gains and make the world a better place in the future. So reason number 3 is very simple. It can get you a lot of money. I don't know how I'm going to title that, but it can get you a lot of money. You can build yourself a very healthy retirement pot. So for example, if you invested your money into an ETF, which is exchange traded fund, and that is a collection of companies. So for example, the S&P 500 is a collection of 500 companies that are doing well in either the UK or the US. If you invest on that, then you will be kind of gaining 7 to 10% year on year, as it has shown in the last 50 years. The earlier you start, the better your returns for your retirement pot, which I do highly recommend doing it as soon as possible. Yeah, that's reason number 3. Reason number 4 is sleeping easier at night. Now it sounds like a funny one, but if you're investing in solid companies and you know you're making money, then it just makes you sleep better at night, in my opinion. Because you know that your money is making more money. Now this is due to the correct research that you do, so looking at different YouTubers, looking at articles, looking at websites. I'll be looking at doing a video on different websites you can use to do your research, etc. in a few weeks. But it's important to not let your emotions take over when you're investing. So for example, if a company's doing really well, you can get really excited and put loads more in. But the idea is that you don't put more in when it's going really high, you buy the dip, as Warren Buffett once said. So it's important to not let your emotions get taken over and obviously do your due diligence and do your research, and that way you can feel easier and sleep better at night. I'm actually losing a little bit of light here, which is not ideal. But reason number 5, just before we go, this is the last one, keep it fun and stress-free. Now what I mean by that is it's kind of related to the research that we just talked about. So the more research you do into a company, for example, something like Apple probably won't take that much research, because obviously you know that they're pretty solid, they consistently make phones, they consistently innovate in different technologies, whereas something like a medical startup company won't be as solid because their technology and their innovations may not be as future-proof, shall we say. So you're kind of looking at things like that, and obviously gauging from your research, you can then keep it fun. You can look into different strategies of trading. So you've got swing trading, which we won't talk about just yet, not least on my channel, but you can go ahead and give that a search on YouTube. And yes, that is reason number 5. So I hope with these reasons it has given you a better understanding of how easy it can be, how exciting it can be, how kind of stress-free it can be. A lot of people, when they think about investing, they think about, oh, it's really kind of confusing, it's overwhelming, and it can be, but obviously if you do it in such a way that it suits you, then you can do it easily. So I hope that the reasons that we've just gone through in this video have kind of accelerated your interest within the industry of investing. It certainly does excite me, investing generally, because I'm going to have a good retirement, fingers crossed, okay? With the companies that I've invested in, they're kind of future-proof, so you've got Tesla, NEO, etc, etc. And I hope I've given you some sort of confidence in your investing kind of journey. As we go through the videos on this YouTube channel, I'm sure that you'll become more confident anyway. I'm not saying that my excuse me, I'm not saying that my guidance is perfect. It's not. You know, I'm just trying to do my best on here, just to try and make you aware of investing and how profitable it can be, how exciting it can be, and essentially how easy it can be. So yes, thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more investing videos, wealth videos and mindset videos. Take care of yourself, enjoy your year, and let's get investing. Cheers. So just before I go, I forgot to mention that the link below in the description will get you 1 free share if you deposit £1 into Trading 212 using my link, of course. So use the link below, get yourself a free share and enjoy the platform. What? That one's going in the bloopers.